Kamitii ya guthurima micaara ya aruti wira a thirikari SRC ni yageire kiene muhuhu uria uratambio ati iri na mubango wa kunyihiria arutani a nathari micaara ikiuga gwika o ni mugaru na watho.
What we have seen in the media reporting that the ECD teachers will be reduced, that there is a proposal from SRC to reduce pay to 7,000. I want to confirm that that is erroneous. It is indeed misleading and is not based on any fact.
Kuringana na ndumiriri iria yatumirwo thirikari cia county tariki 10 mweri wa Dithemba mwaka muhituku, SRC ni yaheanire ikiro cia uria arutani a nathari magayanitio kuringana na ngathi ya mathomo ma certificate, diploma na degree, na kigina kiria mabatie gukorwo makiamukira gatagati-ini ka mwaka wa kigina wa 2021-2022 nginyagia 2024-2025.
The salary structure that was advised by the Commission in 2021 is what prevails.
Kuringana na riboti ino, murutani wa gikiro gia thi kia ngathi ya mathomo uria urathomithia tauni-ini ya Nairobi abatie kwamukira gatagati ga ciringi 14,961 na ciringi 15,442. Nao aria marathomithia icigo-ini ingi makiamukira gatagati ga ciringi 13,842 na ciringi 14,992.
Gutire mwarimu wa nathari uria urandikwo mbeca nini muno akiingira abataire kuriho 14,900.
SRC yugite ni irathurima weru micaara ya aruti wira othe a thirikari ari hamwe na arutani a nathari igithingatithia gikiro gia thi muno kia micaara na kana micaara ino ni rionekaga.
There is no review of salaries that will scale down the salaries that are being earned. It has never happened anywhere in the world, and Kenya will not be about to do that. Kenya will not be the first country to review salaries downwards. So what we are committing is that if there is any review to be done, it is supposed to be an upward review.
Thirikari oho ikiuga iri na mubango wa kwandika wira kimweri arutani aria makoretwo makiruta wira na kandarathi, na kuringana na riboti ya kamitii ya Senate igie githomo kuri na arutani 43,877 a nathari aria mandikitwo wira ni thirikari cia county. Hari aya aria mandikitwo kimweri aria arutani 14,919 aria mandikitwo na kandarathi ari arutani 28,955 na waria mandikitwo ni bodi na aciari ari arutani 2,893.
Undu ungi turenda kumatetera ni ati mandikwo marikirwitwo permanent and pensionable, na bare yo tutiritiga kinya arimu aitu a nathari mari andikwo mari permanent and pensionable.
Thiini wa gikaro kia hamwe gia kanjo ya magavana SRC, ministry ya kigina na arugamiriri a githomo thiini wa county mwaka muhituku, kanjo ya magavana yaugire angikorwo county ni gukinyaniria kwandika wira arutani a nathari kuringana na mendekithia ma SRC irabatara muigana wa ciringi bilioni 15.
Education was devolved, the ECD function was given to the counties, and actually money didn't follow the function. So we will be writing again to Senate, much as we've done our presentations, to see the deficit of around 5 billion, to figure out how we can bridge the gap to allow those counties who may not have capacity to completely implement the scheme of service.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Gina wa Waduro.
Eda hivi, pale hivi.